If you guys are still using Bot to do your meme coin trading, just stop. We have a new bot on the block, SoulSniper.com. I'm going to be going over this. And in this video, we're going to be doing some live sniping. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Like I said, live trades is coming up right now. Let's go. So we're in the actual app right now, and up here we have the document section, we have the pricing structure, which we already went over, and we have the FAQ. And if we scroll down some, this is the wallet section, pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have Phantom Wallet or any kind of crypto wallet, you guys know how this stuff works. You basically copy your address, send some Solana over to this address, and let's get started. So I think you only need like 0.2 Solana. You know, when it comes to trading Solana, you usually need around $25, $30 to get started. You know, you don't need to put in ridiculous amounts of money to get started. All right, over here on the right hand side, this is how we're gonna set this bot up. You guys can copy what I'm doing, or you know, you can kind of customize it to your own likings, but and let's check out safety. If you guys are excited, hit that like button for me. We're gonna run this bot right now. Let's go. Okie dokie, so right over here we got a message. It says bot started sniping new tokens according to your settings. Not even 2 minutes in, we automatically bought. We survived this big dump right here, and we sold right there on my settings. You guys can customize the settings to how you like and set it up the way you guys want to set it up. I'm just going to go ahead and stop this bot right now.